The Hidden Truth, Bound by Belief, Freed by Truth. The story of Amara and Charles, a married couple in their early 30s who have been trying to conceive for several years but have faced heartbreaking struggles with multiple miscarriages and months of uncertainty. Their once joyous hope for starting a family has slowly turned into a heavy burden, and they begin to feel isolated as time passes without success. Amara's family, deeply rooted in traditional beliefs, starts to suspect that something supernatural might be causing the delays. They whisper about evil spirits and curses, some even suggesting that Charles's family could be responsible for placing a spell on the couple. With every miscarriage, the pressure grows, and the whispers turn into accusations. The couple feels increasingly alienated as family gatherings become tense, and their every move is scrutinized. On the other hand, Charles's family believes that the delays are due to some form of spiritual bondage, with relatives urging them to go to local shrines and seek deliverance. While Amara is initially torn between her husband and the demands of her family, Charles remains steadfast, believing that their situation requires a medical explanation rather than supernatural intervention. One day, after a particularly painful miscarriage, Amara, exhausted by the constant pressure from both families, finally breaks down. Charles, holding her hand, reassures her that they need to seek medical help rather than continue down a path of superstition. After much discussion and inner conflict, the couple makes the brave decision to go for medical screening. They are greeted by a compassionate fertility specialist who recommends a series of tests for both Amara and Charles. Amara is diagnosed with polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, a common condition that affects her ovulation and makes conception more challenging. Charles, on the other hand, learns that his sperm count is lower than average, which further complicates their chances of conceiving. The doctor explains that both conditions can be treated with modern medicine, offering them hope. With the proper diagnosis and treatment plan, Amara begins a course of medication to regulate her cycle, and Charles makes lifestyle changes to improve his fertility. After several months of careful planning and perseverance, Amara discovers she is pregnant again. This time, she and Charles take every precaution to ensure a healthy pregnancy, with regular checkups and support from their doctor. The couple, overwhelmed with joy, remains cautious but hopeful. Their families, who had once been convinced of curses and spiritual influences, begin to notice the couple's transformation. At first, they remain skeptical, but when Amara gives birth to a healthy baby girl, the truth comes out: their struggles were not caused by supernatural forces, but by medical conditions that were treatable with the right care. The birth of their daughter is a turning point for both families. Amara and Charles's families, once divided by superstition and fear, come together in celebration of the new life. The couple's story becomes a powerful testament to the importance of seeking proper medical help and breaking free from harmful cultural beliefs that cause unnecessary suffering. Amara and Charles find peace in their new role as parents, and their story spreads to other couples in their community, encouraging them to seek medical advice when facing fertility issues. The couple, now stronger and more united than ever, are determined to advocate for awareness and the importance of breaking the silence surrounding health struggles in their community. The story ultimately conveys that while cultural beliefs are significant, they should never overshadow the power of seeking knowledge and medical help in overcoming health challenges. Like this video, comment and subscribe to this channel for more inspiring health stories.